is a short video about saving seeds. This is Italian black cabbage, which has gone to seed. It was planted last year. It's a biennial. It's gone to seed this year. This is 2023, and what's happened is I've cut off a lot of the shoots and just left a few, and then we're going to cut these off, put them into the wheelbarrow and squash the seed heads by hand, get all the seeds out into the wheelbarrow. Then I'm going to sieve them with that sieve from the kitchen. The seeds don't go through that. All the dust and very small seeds that are not good will go through. And then I'm going to move them around in these two bowls and get all the bits and pieces out. And then I'll put them in jam jars and store them. So first of all, I'm going to cut off the branches with a pair of secateurs like that. It's only a couple of branches because we want all the power to go into the seeds. Okay, put the secateurs away in my pocket. Again, then you just squash the seeds heads with the hand like that. And you can see them all coming out. Yeah? All the seeds come out into the wheelbarrow. That's what you want. There's a few green ones because they don't all ripen at the same time. So we could either hang those up and dry them, but it's probably better just to leave them and not bother with those because maybe they're just not as good. They haven't matured properly or something, I don't know. So we concentrate on the good ones. Okay. That's basically it. There's enough there, you know, for hundreds of plants really. So we'll just squash it a bit more. Make sure we got it out. Okay, so you can see the pods have all opened up there nicely. There's a few insects. Oops. Yeah. There's this one actually. We'll try and liberate him. Okay, he's got. That's good. And then we're going to be left with this seed here. And we'll sieve that out. We'll just put that through the sieve. I'm not going to finish this, you know, I'm just basically roughly showing how it's done. And so all the dust and small seeds come out, and this other stuff that you got to take it off by hand or put it through a bigger sieve and get the seeds out. You know, if you have different size sieves, you can filter it down. You don't have to mess about like I'm doing now. You just put it through a sieve that the seeds go through and that, you know, the right size, and then the other bits don't go through, not too big. So it's basically that's it. That's the game. So there you go. There's a few hundred seeds sorted.